Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to make object isolation accurate with mask overlay. Begin by making a basic selection around your object using any selection tool. Open Select and Mask and enable Mask Overlay View Mode to clearly visualize isolation areas. Use the brush tool to refine edges, painting carefully along object boundaries. Frequently adjust brush size for tight corners and curves. Zoom in to ensure no background elements remain inside the mask. A useful tip is to toggle the overlay visibility to double-check accuracy. Finish by exporting the selection as a layer mask. Accurate object isolation improves compositing quality, so practice this method to achieve